We arrived to Margaret River. This region is famous for its wine and chocolate production. Of course, we will use it. So now we're going to the information and ask which one is the best, which wine bar is the best, and which chocolatier is the best one. What I can recommend in Australia, what I always do when I'm here, is going to the information point. Each town has one information point, and there you will learn everything about the region, the city, where to go, what to see, and they are marked with this I, like information. I will show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and it's blue. There you go to get information about the region and about the city. Okay, we got a map. A very nice lady gave us some tips. And our first step is walk by the river, then a 2-kilometer walk by the beach, and then we will go towards the winery and chocolate shop. These information points are completely free, and look how the lady wrote out the map. She marked everything for us, where we can go, what to see, so it's great. I highly recommend these information points. They are in every town. Restauracja La Scarpetta. A short break for the beach because the weather is great, and soon we are going to our wineries and chocolate shops. But as you can see, the water is so cold. No, I'm not going in. Yes, finally we reached to our chocolate shop. It's called Margaret River Chocolate Company. We are going inside. Everything is ready for Easter. Look. A bit of oil, sauces. Look, there's even koalas and chocolate kangaroos. Now we found Australia made from chocolate. It looks so nice. It is around 25 Australian dollars. Here you can see how they produce chocolate. It smells so nice. The price for the chocolates are around 220 Australian dollars, which is 150 euros for one chocolate. We just bought a real hot chocolate. I took the white one and Nico took the black one. Very, very good, very tasty. Now we're going to wine tasting. This is where the grapes grow. one is so delicious, very delicious sweet wine. I really like it, and the bottle costs $25. Now we're also trying the jams, very good ones. There are fig jams, what else? Strawberry, standard strawberry, cinnamon, yeah, what else? A lot of them. They are so delicious, really. I would like to buy everything. And they are not expensive because, for example, the balsamic sauce with apple or cherry, here they cost $14, so it's around €9. Surprise! Because the tasting was for free. So we bought one wine and two sauces, the cherry one, and we have lemons growing in the front of the shop. In the front of the winery, you can find a small garden with vegetables. So it looks like they are producing all the sauces and jams from their own garden. That's so nice. Oh, so yummy, and a lot of tomatoes as well. Look what we found. What a big zucchinis. Well, I think it's the first time I see such a big ones. So this is my hand and this is a zucchini. It's like 3 times bigger than my hand. It's so funny. I don't know how they produce such zucchinis. After tasting the wine, it's time to test the beer. Here are our beers. So there are 8 different beers and they cost $16 for such a tray. So it's $16 for 4 beers. Plus popcorn and peanuts. We are trying the first one. It's good. It's the one with a nectarine. A delicious nectarine beer. Perfect. The second one, I don't know what it is. It's more classic. It's like rye beer. There is something about it. Now, red IPA. No, it's too bitter. No. Now, DIPA. It's double IPA. No, it's also bitter. This is where all the beers are made. And that's the view. The view from the bar onto the lake. It's beautiful. We managed it and now we are going to our campsite. We reached Yarinap. Here are we going to sleep tonight, and our campsite is right next to the beach. Look behind me. How beautiful it is. It will be a beautiful sunset tonight. Such beauty is only 3 hours away from home. Can you believe only 3 hours? Oh wow, I'm enjoying it so much. It's day 7 and our Valentine's Day ends with a sunset on the beach. So, as you can see behind me, and see you tomorrow.